Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Meliane. I am here once again with another hair tutorial. First of all, happy new year, and I wish you guys all the best this year. So I was inspired to do this hairstyle that I did for my birthday by She Is the Beauty. I think that's her name, and sis is really the GOAT, okay, when it comes to lace and in coloring hair. So I decided to recreate it for myself on my birthday. So I'm gonna show you guys what I used, and I will also leave the names in the description box. So I start working with the frontal and small sections because this is platinum blonde hair and you don't want to miss a spot. So work in small sections, and especially when you're working on a closure or a frontal. Now, because I am using brown hair dye and I am a chocolate girl, so I didn't really mind it getting on the lace. But if it were a different color, I would definitely say spray the lace really well, like 2 or 3 layers with got to be glue. And yeah, so it won't get on there and you'll be able to rock your lace with no problem. So after doing a good section of the lace, I decided to start applying the other colors. So I start with this orange color. I'm gonna put the picture on the screen so you guys can see, and I make sure to blend it with the brown color because you don't want to see where the color stops and where the other color begins, if you guys know what I mean. You want like a seamless transition between the colors when you're coloring hair. So I'm making sure to blend them really well, and now I'm gonna add a little bit more before I move on to the yellow, and I'm just gonna do that for the whole head. So I'm gonna let you guys watch. Okay guys, so another thing that I wanted to mention is that when you're working with different colors like this and you're using your hands, make sure that you clean your hands a little bit. So make sure to have paper towel next to you so you can clean your hands before you move on to the other color. But yeah, that's just a suggestion. Okay guys, so I did a good portion of the hair off camera, and now I'm going to show you how I actually color the weave. So I start applying the dye on the top of the hair, the part that we can see, but I also make sure to lift it up so I can apply under. I'll do that to make sure that I do not miss a spot. Like I said before, when you're coloring platinum hair, it's so easy to miss a spot, and you don't want to like be, you know, playing with your hair outside and we can see a little bit of blonde showing. So I make sure that I also separate the hair to really get in everything. Okay, so at this point I started running out of the orange dye, but it wasn't that much of a big deal. The hair turned out fine. I'm gonna show you guys a video. So thank you for watching. Make sure to thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Much love. Bye.